Hi everyone! Welcome back to Cute Corner. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to draw Kuromi step by step. Grab your pen and let's start drawing together. Firstly, we're gonna draw an oval head shape for Kuromi. Then we sketch Kuromi's mask with two curves forming a heart shape on the face. In this step, we will add two large triangle ears on each side of the head, then draw light face guidelines to help place features later. Next, we draw Kuromi's neck color. Remember to use triangle shapes with soft curves to create her jester-style collar under the head. Beside that, we add a small circle at each tip for a cute detail. In step 5, we draw the body and add a small round shape under the collar. In step 6, we draw the feet and add two ovals on each side for Kuromi's feet. Then, we draw the arms resting on the ground near the legs to create a sitting pose. Now we draw over the sketch with neat, smooth lines. After that, we draw eyes, nose, and mouth of Kuromi. Then add the skull icon on the forehead and clean up all the lines. Final step, we will color Kuromi with her cute outfit and rosy cheeks. Now she looks extra adorable, and the Kuromi drawings is finished. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to Cute Corner for more kawaii drawings. Don't forget to share your finished drawing on Instagram stories and tag us. We'd love to see your art. Remember, it's all just for fun, so relax and enjoy the process. See you in the next tutorial.